Welcome to Choice Champions. The best Delta 1700 is probably one of the most sought-after shower faucet kits on the market, and for good reason, offering a perfect blend of sophisticated design and exceptional functionality that can transform your daily shower experience into a spa-like retreat. This review will dive deep into what makes this particular model stand out from the competition, examining its build quality, ease of installation, and the user experience it delivers, ensuring you have all the information needed to decide if it's the right upgrade for your bathroom. Number 5. Delta Faucet Lahara 17 Series Shower Trim Kit. Introducing the Lahara 17 Series Dual Function Shower Trim Kit. It offers a sophisticated design to elevate your shower experience. Enjoy precise control over your shower with its dual function handle. You can adjust water temperature and volume independently for ultimate comfort. Select from 5 powerful spray settings, including full body spray, massage, and a soft drenching spray. There's an option for every mood. Cleaning is a breeze with touch clean spray holes. Simply wipe away mineral buildup with a touch of your finger. The Spot Shield finish resists water spots and fingerprints. Install with confidence. This shower trim kit is backed by Delta Faucet's lifetime limited warranty, ensuring lasting quality and performance. Please note that the shower valve is sold separately. You will need to purchase Delta's multi-choice universal shower valve to complete your installation. What we like. This model offers a versatile shower experience with 5 distinct spray settings. Its dual-function handle provides excellent control over temperature and volume. If you enjoy customizing your shower and want easy maintenance, this is a great choice for a daily refreshing experience. What people say. The shower head has a good spray pattern and good pressure. The handle is easy to turn and adjust the temperature. The finish is nice and looks good in the bathroom. Number 4. Delta Faucet Lahara 17 Series Dual Function Tub and Shower Trim Kit. Introducing the Delta Faucet Lahara 17 Series. This elegant trim kit offers a dual-function tub and shower experience, designed to elevate your daily routine. Enjoy maximum control with the dual-function handle. It allows you to adjust water temperature and volume independently, ensuring your perfect shower every time. Experience versatility with 5 powerful spray settings. From a full body spray to a fast massage, find the perfect setting for your needs. Keep your shower looking pristine with touch-clean spray holes. Easily wipe away buildup, and enjoy a finish that resists water spots and fingerprints. Install with confidence. This shower trim kit is backed by Delta Faucet's lifetime limited warranty, ensuring lasting quality and performance. Please note that the shower valve is sold separately. We recommend Delta's multi-choice universal shower valve to complete your installation. What we like. This option is designed for both tub and shower functionality, offering 5 spray settings for a complete bathing experience. The dual-function handle ensures precise control. If you're looking for a comprehensive upgrade to your tub and shower area, this provides both versatility and ease of cleaning. What people say. The shower head has a good spray pattern and the pressure is adjustable. The temperature control is very precise and easy to use. The finish is durable and resists water spots. Number 3. Delta Trinsic 17 Series Shower Trim Kit. Introducing the Delta Trinsic 17 Series Shower Trim Kit in a sleek matte black finish. This elegant piece is designed to elevate your shower experience. Please note that the shower valve is sold separately. You will need to purchase Delta's multi-choice universal shower valve to complete your shower installation. Enjoy a comfortable shower every time thanks to the Monitor Pressure Balanced Valve cartridge. It maintains a consistent water temperature by balancing hot and cold water pressure. Take full control of your shower with the dual-function handle. You can independently adjust both the water temperature and the water volume for your perfect shower. Maintaining its pristine look is effortless. The Spot Shield finish resists water spots and fingerprints, keeping your shower trim looking clean and new. Install with confidence. This shower handle trim kit is backed by Delta Faucet's lifetime limited warranty, ensuring lasting quality and peace of mind. What we like. Featuring a sleek matte black finish, this trim kit adds a modern aesthetic to your bathroom. The dual-function handle allows for independent control of water temperature and volume. If you prioritize style and precise control over your shower's output, this is an excellent option for a sophisticated look. What people say. The shower head has a good spray pattern and the temperature control is very precise. Installation was straightforward, and the finish looks great in my bathroom. The diverter works smoothly, allowing easy switching between the shower head and handheld sprayer. Number 2. Delta Trinsic 17 Series Shower Trim Kit. Introducing the Delta Trinsic 17 Series Dual-Function Shower Trim Kit in a sleek matte black finish. This kit offers a premium shower experience designed for your comfort and style. Please note that the shower valve is sold separately. You will need to purchase Delta's multi-choice universal shower valve to complete your shower installation. Experience 3 times the coverage of a standard shower head. Our innovative H2O kinetic technology creates a unique wave pattern for a more intense and enveloping shower. This shower sculpts water into a distinctive wave pattern, delivering exceptional warmth, broader coverage, and a truly invigorating shower experience. Enjoy peace of mind with the included monitor pressure-balanced valve cartridge. It maintains a consistent shower temperature by balancing hot and cold water pressure, preventing sudden changes. Cleaning is a breeze thanks to the touchclean spray holes, allowing you to easily wipe away mineral buildup. The spot shield finish also resists water spots and fingerprints, keeping it looking pristine. What we like. Experience enhanced showering with H2O kinetic technology, providing 3 times more coverage for a more intense and warm shower. Its matte black finish offers a contemporary look. If you desire a powerful, immersive shower experience with a stylish design, this model is ideal for you. What people say. The shower head has a good spray pattern and pressure. The handle is easy to turn and control the temperature. The finish is durable and resists water spots. Number 1. Delta Faucet Vero 17 Series Shower Trim Kit. Introducing the Delta Faucet Vero 17 Series Dual-Function Shower Trim Kit. Elevate your daily routine with its luxurious design and superior performance. The included multi-choice universal shower valve ensures compatibility, allowing you to update your shower fixture without costly renovations. You can switch out your shower trim anytime. Immerse yourself in a steady, invigorating rainfall with the overhead shower head. Enjoy a spa-like experience without the need for complex ceiling mounting. Our monitor pressure-balanced valve cartridge maintains a consistent shower temperature. It balances hot and cold water pressure, protecting you from sudden changes. The touchclean spray holes allow for quick and easy cleaning of calcium and lime buildup. Its spot shield finish resists water spots and fingerprints, keeping it looking pristine. Install with confidence knowing this shower trim kit is backed by Delta Faucet's lifetime limited warranty. It's a testament to its durability and quality. What we like. This kit features a drenching rainfall shower head for a spa-like experience and comes with the necessary multi-choice universal shower valve for easier installation. The champagne bronze finish adds a touch of elegance. If you're looking for a luxurious overhead shower experience and a simpler installation process, this is a fantastic choice. What people say. The shower head has a good spray pattern and the handle is easy to operate. The finish is durable and resists water spots. Installation was straightforward, and the diverter works smoothly. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.